Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that often flies under the radar: kidney health. Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste, balancing fluids, and regulating blood pressure, yet many of us unknowingly engage in habits that can seriously damage these essential organs. In this video, we'll explore 10 everyday habits that can harm your kidneys and the warning signs that indicate they might be in trouble. Understanding kidney damage is essential because early detection can significantly affect treatment and outcomes. We'll discuss everyday behaviors that you might not realize are putting your kidneys at risk, from dietary choices to lifestyle factors. By the end of this video, you'll be aware of these damaging habits and equipped with knowledge on how to protect your kidney health. So, stick around whether you want to improve your overall well-being or learn more about your body. Let's empower ourselves with the information to keep our kidneys healthy and functioning optimally. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Habit 1. Excessive salt intake. One of the most significant habits that can lead to kidney damage is excessive salt intake. High salt consumption is closely linked to elevated blood pressure, which puts immense strain on your kidneys. When you consume too much sodium, your body retains more water to balance the salt levels, increasing blood volume and blood pressure. Over time, this added pressure can damage the delicate blood vessels in your kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste effectively. Processed foods, canned soups, deli meats, and condiments like soy sauce and ketchup are familiar sources of high sodium in our diets. Many people are surprised to learn how much sodium is hidden in everyday items, making it easy to exceed the recommended daily intake without realizing it. Moderation is vital when it comes to salt consumption. The American Heart Association recommends limiting sodium intake to no more than 2,300 milligrams per day, ideally aiming for 1,500 milligrams for optimal health. By being mindful of your salt intake and choosing fresh, whole foods over processed options, you can significantly reduce your risk of kidney damage and promote overall health. Habit 2. Dehydration. Dehydration is another critical habit that can severely impact kidney health. Our kidneys rely on adequate water intake to function correctly, as they need it to filter waste and toxins from the blood. When you don't drink enough water, your kidneys can become overworked, leading to a buildup of waste products and an increased risk of kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Chronic dehydration can even contribute to long-term kidney damage. Aim to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water daily to stay hydrated, but remember that individual needs may vary based on factors like activity level and climate. Carrying a reusable water bottle can be a helpful reminder to sip throughout the day. Incorporating water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables can boost your hydration levels. Be vigilant for signs of dehydration, including dry mouth, fatigue, dark yellow urine, and dizziness. If you notice these symptoms, increasing your fluid intake is essential. By prioritizing hydration, you can support your kidneys in their vital role and help maintain your overall health. Remember, extra water can go a long way in protecting your kidneys. Habit 3. Overuse of painkillers. Frequent use of painkillers, particularly nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, can pose significant risks to kidney health. While these medications are effective for managing pain and inflammation, long-term use can lead to kidney damage. NSAIDs work by blocking certain enzymes that contribute to inflammation, but they can also reduce blood flow to the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste effectively. Over time, this can result in chronic kidney disease or even acute kidney injury. Common over-the-counter painkillers that fall into this category include ibuprofen, naproxen, and aspirin. Many people rely on these medications for everyday aches and pains, often without realizing the potential consequences of prolonged use. If you find yourself frequently reaching for painkillers, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help you explore alternative pain management strategies and assess kidney function. Remember, while pain relief is necessary, protecting your kidneys should also be a priority. By being mindful of your painkiller use and seeking professional guidance, you can maintain both your comfort and your kidney health in the long run. Habit 4. High protein diets. While protein is an essential nutrient for our bodies, excessive protein intake can harm kidney health. When you consume high amounts of protein, your kidneys must work harder to filter out the byproducts of protein metabolism, particularly urea. Over time, this increased workload can strain the kidneys, potentially leading to decreased function and an increased risk of kidney disease, especially in individuals with pre-existing conditions. Familiar sources of high-protein foods include red meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, and plant-based options like legumes and nuts. Many popular diets, such as ketogenic or paleo, emphasize high protein consumption, which can inadvertently put your kidneys at risk if not managed properly. To support kidney health, it's crucial to adopt a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients. This means incorporating fruits, vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, and moderate protein intake. Focusing on a well-rounded diet ensures your body receives the nutrients it needs without overburdening your kidneys. Remember, moderation is vital, and maintaining a balanced approach to nutrition is essential for long-term kidney health. Habit 5. Ignoring diabetes and high blood pressure. Managing chronic conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure is crucial for maintaining kidney health. Uncontrolled diabetes can lead to high blood sugar levels, which can damage the blood vessels in the kidneys over time, impairing their ability to filter waste. Similarly, high blood pressure strains the kidneys, increasing the risk of kidney disease. Together, these conditions are among the leading causes of kidney failure, making it essential to keep them in check. Regular blood sugar and blood pressure checks are vital to monitor and manage these conditions effectively. For those with diabetes, maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and adhering to prescribed medications can help control blood sugar levels. Reducing sodium intake, managing stress, and staying active for hypertension can significantly lower blood pressure. Additionally, it's important to schedule regular checkups with healthcare providers. These visits allow for early detection of any kidney issues and provide an opportunity to adjust treatment plans as needed. By prioritizing the management of diabetes and high blood pressure, you can protect your kidneys and enhance your overall health. Proactive care is critical to preventing complications and ensuring long-term kidney function. Habit 6. Smoking. Smoking is a harmful habit that can significantly contribute to kidney damage. Cigarettes contain a variety of toxins, including nicotine and carbon monoxide, which can impair blood flow and reduce oxygen delivery to the kidneys. This decreased blood flow can hinder the kidney's ability to filter waste effectively and may lead to chronic kidney disease over time. Additionally, smoking is known to increase the risk of high blood pressure and diabetes, both of which are major risk factors for kidney damage. Quitting smoking can lead to numerous health benefits, not just for your kidneys but for your entire body. Within weeks of quitting, circulation improves, lung function increases, and the risk of heart disease decreases. These positive changes can help protect your kidneys and enhance your overall well-being. If you're considering quitting smoking, know that you don't have to do it alone. Many resources, including support groups, counseling, and nicotine replacement therapies, are available to help you on your journey. Quitting smoking can significantly improve your kidney health and allow you to enjoy a healthier, longer life. Remember, it's never too late to make a positive change for your health. Habit 7. Lack of physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle can negatively impact kidney health. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining overall well-being and supporting kidney function. Exercise helps regulate blood pressure, improves blood circulation, and enhances insulin sensitivity, which is vital for preventing kidney disease. Additionally, staying active can help manage weight, reducing the risk of conditions like diabetes that can harm the kidneys. Incorporating simple exercises into your daily routine doesn't have to be daunting. Walking, cycling, swimming, or even gardening can provide significant health benefits. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week, which can be broken down into manageable sessions. The key is to find activities that you genuinely enjoy, making it easier to stay consistent. Whether joining a dance class, hiking with friends, or practicing yoga, engaging in enjoyable physical activities can motivate you to move more. By prioritizing regular exercise, you can improve your kidney health and overall quality of life. Remember, Every little bit counts, so start small and gradually increase your activity level for lasting benefits. Signs of kidney problems. Recognizing the signs of kidney problems is crucial for early intervention and maintaining overall health. Some common symptoms that may indicate kidney issues include persistent fatigue, swelling in the legs, ankles, or around the eyes, and changes in urination patterns. For instance, you might notice an increase or decrease in the frequency of urination, or your urine may appear foamy or dark. These changes can signal that your kidneys are not functioning correctly and may require medical attention. It's essential to pay close attention to your body and any unusual symptoms you may experience. Our bodies often provide warning signs that something is amiss, and being proactive can significantly improve outcomes. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. A healthcare professional can conduct tests to assess your kidney function and determine the best course of action. Early detection and treatment are crucial to preventing further damage and ensuring your kidneys remain healthy. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is vital for your overall well-being, so stay informed and attentive to your body's signals. Your health is worth the attention. We explored 10 habits that can damage your kidneys and the signs that indicate they may be in trouble. We discussed the dangers of excessive salt intake, dehydration, overuse of painkillers, high-protein diets, ignoring diabetes and high blood pressure, smoking, and lack of physical activity. Each of these habits can significantly impact kidney function, leading to serious health issues. We also highlighted the importance of recognizing symptoms like fatigue, swelling, and changes in urination, which can serve as crucial warning signs. Maintaining kidney health is essential for overall well-being, and adopting preventive measures can make a significant difference. By being mindful of your lifestyle choices and seeking medical advice when necessary, you can protect your kidneys and enhance your quality of life. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to engage with our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with friends and family to spread awareness about kidney health. Doing so can empower ourselves and others to make informed choices for a healthier future. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.